Hi guys, here we are today. We're actually at a very special place. It's actually local in my local village. I'm really watching them make SAI OUA. They're actually preparing all the ingredients today. All the ingredients are fresh and they make about 220 kilos of sausage which they cook up and they send off to Bangkok. So the northern sausage goes south. So let's have a look round and see how they prepare the sausage. Absolutely sensational. The smell is incredible. Can't wait to see when they put the sausage together. Hey yeah, guys, look at this, fresh off the grill. Oh, Lon, hot. Look at that, absolutely superb. We got the fresh herbs in there. Let's give it a taste. Oh, it's fantastic, absolutely superb. Listen guys, these people make once a week, every single week. Come out on a Sunday, come and visit and come and eat off the grill, fresh. It is absolutely superb. Oh, amazing. The flavors are superb. If you like what we're doing, showing you real Thai food, don't forget like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.